So, how are we all doing? I thought I'd just make this a bit of a short workshop Wednesday. I thought I'd show you what I've been up to and what, well, I don't know what I'm in the middle of now. A little bit deflated today. I'll get back to that in a minute. So, we finally pulled out the weight carrier toolbox that I'm trying to make to go on the front of the Massey. You know, because I spat my dummy out because my welder broke and slat it in the corner and forgot about it, which was a mistake, because my top link brackets that should sit there, which I thought I left sort of here, I can't find now. But we have got, oh, hang on, one day I'll stop creaking and groaning. We have got it all, the strengthening bars and all the adjustments and all that, all welded up. So if we can find them, we can get them welded on, and it can be sort of one step closer. I need to figure out how to make it heavy. I know the easiest way is concrete, but it also, concrete is the biggest volume per kilo, as you see on a weight block. I want to make something a bit more compact, but still with a good weight on it. Need to ring them. Another trick, I was going to go to my mates and see if I could steal his old start motor, make one out of the two. I might do that yet, but I had to be up here, which we'll get back to that. We'll get to that in a minute. A couple of the body panels on the Massey were loose. Turns out that one that was loose down here was only the bolt that come out, so that was easy enough. The other side, I knew that it had cracked off, which I thought what's happened there. I knew all the plastic behind there where it actually sort of moulds into the side panel had cracked off. So we just drilled it out, put a bolt in. Still not. I think we need to squidge it a bit. I don't know. Or is it just not latching in properly? Hello. There we go. And now the focus has gone to hell. There we go. So yeah, she's now, what's saying? We actually have the capabilities now to get her new front tyres, because it's a sad day. She has literally 10 minutes ago. There's a hole in my yard where there used to be a smaller blue love of mine. Yeah, it's taken me 6 months, but I finally sold my pickup. I do actually genuinely feel upset to see her go. She has been a fantastic truck to me, and I've absolutely loved it. It has been the nicest vehicle I've owned. And now it's going on, by the sounds of it, to an easier life for somebody else to love and care for. And he has promised me that he's going to love and care for it. So that's it. I know it's a bit of a short and sweet video, but as you can see, we are getting stuff done. You know, she has a lot of bits and pieces to get sorted on her, to get her ready for the season. Obviously, front tyres, service. There's a little bit, them little bits of leaks on that. I don't know whether. I know they're welded on. I know some brackets are bolted, but they're welded on. But you see, I don't really need all of this unless I finally find a loader. Funds won't stretch for that. But yeah, she's got just a few little bits and pieces. Obviously a bath. I think there's, did I see a bit of play in? See, there's brackets, mounting brackets underneath there. I'm not sure whether they've got a bit of play in there that needs looking at. But yeah, she needs getting ready, because we're blinked twice and she'll be out hopefully earning me. So that's it for, I know it's only a quick 5-minute one. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a grubby thumbs up. Take care, stay well, look after yourselves. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Oh, and I made a PTO bracket for me topper, so it's got somewhere to sit. That's it. Cheers for now, and we'll see you at the next one.